What's up guys? This is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. So here's a quick update with Dollar Beans. So ito yung account ko na may kapital na 80 USDT. So compounding lang yung ginagawa ko dito and hindi pa ako nagwi-withdraw. So dito sa account nito, ita-try natin yung 7th day na strategy to withdraw. So dito natin malalaman kung magkano ba yung tax after 7 days. Okay? So before that, mag-compute muna tayo guys to see how much yung ma-earn kapag nagko-compounding tayo. So actually, hindi pa ako nagko-compound dito ng madalas kasi I'm very busy with my other project. Yun nga si Trend. So nakakalimutan ko minsan na mag-compound or mag-rebake. So for those of you guys, keep on rebaking your beans para mas mabilis na lumago yung inyong mga beans dito. And that way, ay makakapag-generate siya ng mas maraming USDT. Alright? So, as of the moment, I have 85,182 kasi yesterday, nag-rebake ako. That's why dumami yung beans na nandito. So, nakabase kasi dito sa beans natin yung earnings per day. Okay? And alam naman natin na ang $1 or 1 USDT is equivalent to 10,000 beans. So, tingnan natin kung tama. 1,125. Okay. So, i-divide natin siya sa 10,000 kasi 10,000 beans is equivalent to 1 USDT. So, ayan, meron akong 112 na so far through compounding, no? So, ang pinaka-capital ko dito, guys, is just 80 USDT. Ang value na niya ngayon is 112. So, it means, pag sinubtract natin yung 80 USDT dyan, so, kumita na pala yung account ko ng 32 USDT. Okay? So, hindi natin mawi-withdraw yung 32 USDT na to kasi nga, naging beans na siya. So, it means, nagge-generate sa atin ng beans yung 112 na capital. Okay? So, hindi na 80 USDT yung nandito, kundi 112 na yan. And, yung 112 USDT na yan, nagge-generate sa atin ng 3.5% up to 6.5% daily profit. So, ibig sabihin, mas bumibilis yung pag-generate ng beans. So, ngayon, kumbaga, ito ay pangalawang araw pa lang na earnings. So, itatry natin yung withdrawals. Okay? Since kinompounding natin yung earnings natin for the past 1 week, so dumagdag siya sa kapital. Okay? I hope nagigets nyo yun, guys. So, hindi na 80 USDT yung nag-generate ng beans, kundi 112 beans na yan. Okay? So, ito yung guys, ito yung anti-drain mechanism built-in ng project na to ni Dollar Beans. That's why yun na nga, it's proven na magtatagal yung project. So, ang pinaka-importante naman sa atin guys is yung magtagal yung project kasi kung gusto natin ng malaking earnings, ang nakasalalay naman doon is yung contract. So, pag na-drain, it's useless. Okay? So, it's better to invest your money dun sa project na alam natin na pwedeng magtagal kasi meron siyang mga, katulad dito, mga features na wala sa ibang project. Okay, so ngayon, ito yung total earnings na na-generate ng aking Dollar Beans after 2 days. I think 2 days ito guys. I'm not so sure kasi I'm busy talaga. So kayo na lang bahala mag-experiment sa inyong mga account. Ang advice ko lang guys lagi is to bake your beans. So, pero guys hindi tayo pinipigilan ni Dollar Beans na mag-withdraw every day. So yun nga lang, kailangan nating i-keep in mind na yung ating withdrawals is instead of 3.5%, nagiging 0.87% lang yun kapag minidro natin siya agad. So tingnan natin dito guys, yung kasi ako din ay nag-experiment pa dito sa system ni Dollar Beans, but I'm very proud of this project kasi yun nga talagang proven na hindi siya agad-agad madedrain yung ating contract. So guys, again, no one can access these funds. Okay? Nasa contract lang yan. And very, talaga siya, very sustainable yung project. So, try na natin, how much is this? Tingnan natin kung magkano na to. 85,182.793. Divide natin to sa 10,000 kasi 10,000 beans is equivalent to 1 USDT. So, basically, I have 8.5 USDT in just 2 days, guys. Okay? Pero, again, pag winidraw ko to, hindi ganun kalaki yung percentage na makukuha natin, which is fair enough kasi kapag sinabi mong in 2 days ganito kalaki, that's HYIP. Okay? That's High Yield Investment Program. So, ang magiging benefit natin, kung i-rebake natin to, i-compounding natin, dadagdag siya sa kapital. So, ibig sabihin, habang lumalaki yung kapital natin, yung value ng kapital natin, mas dumadami na generate na beans. And then that way, kahit mag-withdraw tayo, kahit na meron siyang charge, which is na babalik naman yun dito sa contract, okay? Hindi yan napupunta sa dev or sa creator ng project. Pinapatibay na lang itong ating contract. So, that's the treasury features ni Dollar Beans. So, dapat makaka-withdraw ako ng 8.51. Okay? Which is, that's huge for 2 days, no? With this capital. So, tingnan natin kung magkano talaga yung mawi-withdraw nito after withdrawing the beans. Okay? So, withdraw natin and just make sure na meron tayong balance na pang gas fee. So, I have enough BNB in OPBNB dito na balance to perform the withdrawals. Okay? So, I have 0 balance here in USDT. Dito natin malalaman kung magkano yung papasok. Okay? So, click na natin yung Eat Beans. This is what we call withdraw. Okay? So, i-click natin yan. And confirm. So, yun, napansin nyo guys, super liit lang talaga ng fee. So, parang less than piso lang siya, 1 peso. Okay? So, may na-receive na akong notification. Let's see how much yung na-withdraw natin. So, i-refresh ko lang muna to guys. Okay? By the way, pwede nyo rin i-click dito, no? Click connect. Yan. And, ko-connect siya ulit sa wallet. So, click natin yung connect. And then, that's it. So, okay, nawala na dito yung balance. And, let's see my wallet now. How much yung na-withdraw. Okay. So, there you go. I have 6.499 USDT. Alright, so tingnan natin dito guys. Ayan. So, i-minus natin ngayon yung nandito. So, not bad guys, no? Kasi after 7 days na withdrawals, it's not that much na deduction. So tama nga yung sabi dito na yung tax is lumiliit siya habang tumatagal. Okay? So, tingnan natin, i-minus natin, no? So, 6.499. Alright, so ito lang yung na-charge sa atin, guys. 2.01. Okay? So, ayun, it's a great strategy to withdraw your beans after 7 days, guys. Okay? Hindi ganun kalaki. Kasi nag-try ako ng withdrawal sa isang account ko. Yeah, may upload here with Dollar Beans. Ayan, nandito guys, no? Ayan, testing my early withdraw. And dito guys, yung withdraw natin na, how much is that? Nasa yung $5 yata. Okay? So, na-charge tayo ng almost 70%. Ibig sabihin, hindi buong nakuha yung profit. So, kasi, that's my second day lang yata nung tinest ko yung withdrawal. So, ibig sabihin nun guys, bumalik sa contract yung other 70% na yun na deduction sa withdrawals, which is not bad kasi bumalik siya dito. Okay? Parang dinonate lang natin sa contract. So, pampa-sustain nung pool or nitong contract balance natin. Alright? Which is wala yan, no, sa other project na win-workout natin before, 2024, na na-drain yung contract na yun. So, unfortunately, yung karamihan sa mga members natin ay hindi nakabawi. So, this time, with Dollar Beans, napakalupit guys. I'm so proud of Dollar Beans. I'm so proud of this project. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, yung withdrawals natin in 7 days, though mayroon siyang deductions, pero hindi ganun kalaki. Okay? So, yun. 6.49 out of yung $8 na for 2 days lang yun ha. For 2 days, no, na na-earn ito kasi yung other beans or 2 days ago nag-rebake tayo. Okay? So, sumama siya dito sa sa beans natin. Kumbaga yung beans na to is like mga miners yan. Yun na nagpo-produce sa atin ng USDT. Okay? So yun, it's a good strategy to withdraw your earnings every 7th day. Okay? So habang tumatagal nga yung inyong distance of withdrawals, so makikita nyo naman dito yan guys, yung kung kailan kayo huling nag-withdraw, no? So ito, time pass since last since last nag-withdraw ako, that's 7 days ago. So ngayon, ayan, na-refresh yung timer, na-start ulit siya. And that's all guys. So after 7 days ulit, I can withdraw my earnings, but make sure to rebake your beans every time, no? Para laging dumadagdag dito sa ating kapital. And yeah, hindi naman tayo gagastos ng malaking gas fee kasi napakaliit lang ng gas fee. So, tignan nyo to guys. Nag-transact tayo pero hindi halos nabawasan no yung ating balance. So, napakalapit talaga. I'm so proud and excited about Dollar Beans. This will last longer. Okay? And this is the new game changer. Alright? So, that's all guys. And again, this is Baby Snow. Thank you so much for staying in my channel. And I'll keep you posted. So, make sure to stand by, okay? And especially dun sa ating Telegram channel, nandun lahat ng ating latest updates and announcements with regards of our 2 projects, the Dollar Beans and the Trends. So, that's all guys. And this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye!